Attaching along very consistent.
The central government has asked Meghalaya state government to address concerns before approving the demand for an inner line permit ILP. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh explained that while the centre is not opposed to ILP, it seeks further clarifications on the implications, citing Meghalaya's current protections under the 6th schedule.
Seeks us to address and to satisfy the centre that we are in a position to actually implement ILP once the centre agrees to it. For instance, it has been the issue of Meghalaya being a transit point has been flagged at several such meetings, and as you are aware, we are also a transit point to states including Mizoram and Tripura, apart from districts within Assam itself.